Be like a tree. Be a tree. I know many people forget that they are human, and here I am saying, be a tree. Or at least, try to gain some of the traits of a tree. Be calm, even in situations where you're faced with a storm. For that, you need strong roots. That means your base should be solid when it comes to the work you do, how much you truly know about the shit you're doing. It's not about technical knowledge, that can be learned, but the basic knowledge you gain by yourself, through experience, mistakes, and understanding. Those basics, the ones people often ignore, are what help you rebuild your business or life from scratch when things fall apart. Because let's face it, in a lot of cases, your business will fail. But if your roots are strong, if you've got a firm grip on the core concepts, which aren't really that basic at all, you'll rebuild it. And this time you'll rebuild it better. You already know a lot more. That's why you must have heard from your ancestors. Stick to your ground. Keep your basics clean. It means never forget what took you to the height you're at right now. Another thing, provide. If you're only taking and never giving, you'll eventually stop receiving. A tree takes carbon dioxide and gives us oxygen. The moment it stops giving, it dies. Same with us. If you're not giving something back to the world, value, service, help, love, something in you will start to fade. And lastly, you have to shed some leaves to grow new ones. You've seen a tree let go of its leaves when they rot or die. Then slowly, it grows new ones. This cycle keeps going, over and over. From a human perspective, if you don't change, if you don't let go of your past, how can you expect to have a new future? Let those dead leaves fall, let the past go, and let your new future grow. If change is happening, let it. Don't be afraid to change.